Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to connect a domain to your Squarespace account. Whether the domain was purchased from Squarespace or a third-party provider, we will walk you through the steps to link it to your website. On your Squarespace dashboard, click on Settings. From there, click on Domains. Then, click Domains again. We want to use a domain we already own so we can connect it. Type your domain name in the field provided. Once entered, follow the on-screen prompts. Let's use this as an example. We can connect a subdomain or transfer a Squarespace domain. In this case, let's choose Transfer. Simply fill in the required information. All we need to do is enter the code, save, and continue. Then follow the remaining prompts until we finish connecting the domain. And that's all it takes to connect a domain to your Squarespace account. With just a few simple steps, your website will be live with a custom domain.